Reaction of acids and bases with metals. Okay, as you know, the metals are Zn, iron, copper. Okay, these are the metals. If acids are reacts with metals, what it gives? Bases are reacts with acid, what it gives? Okay, let us see. Okay, here you are seeing on the board. As you know, it is the stand. Test tube, delivery tube, now yes, in the test tube I have to take zinc granules. In the test tube I have to take zinc granules. Okay, to zinc granules add HCl, dilute hydrochloric acid. In the test tube I have to take zinc granules and to zinc granules add hydrochloric acid. Okay, reaction takes place between zinc and hydrochloric acid. Yes, from here one of the gas is passes through the delivery tube. Okay, in the trough there is soap water. Okay, the gas which is evolved through the soap water, here some bubbles are forms. Yeah, why these bubbles are formed? What filled in that bubbles? The bubbles are formed due to the some of the gas which is coming from the delivery tube. What could be that gas which is evolved through the soap water? To know what is the gas is evolved, we have to test with burning matchstick or burning candle. When you are testing with burning matchstick and burning candle, here this bubble is burn with pop sound. Burn with pop sound, which burns with the pop sound. Yes, by this you have to say the formed gas is hydrogen gas. Formed gas is what? Hydrogen gas. Yes, what is the conclusion we have to give? Yes, what is the zinc is the metal that is reacts with the acid. Yes, which gives hydrogen gas. Which gives hydrogen gas. Here I am writing chemical equation of hydrogen gas. Now, okay, metal. What the metal we are taken? Zinc is the metal. I am writing here in the word metal, which is reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid, which gives rise to salt and hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas. When metals are reacts with acid, which gives rise to salt and hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas is evolves when acid is reacts with metal. Hydrogen gas is evolves. That is our conclusion. I will write the equation here. Okay, metal we are taken as what? Zinc, dilute hydrochloric as the acid, HCl. Okay, this zinc reacts with chlorine, which gives as the salt zinc chloride and H2 gas. Now for the equation balance 2H2O. Now it is a salt and it is what gas? Which gas it is? Hydrogen gas. Yes, what is the conclusion we have to give? when acids or reacts with metals, these are produces or evolves H2 gas. What it is releases H2 gas. Okay, it is the result of when acid is reacts with metal, which releases what? Hydrogen gas. What will happens? Instead of acid, if you taken the base, what will happens? What is the formation? Now let us look here. Okay, bases are reacts with metal. What it gives? Acids are reacts with metal, which produces H2 gas. Now, if bases are reacts with metal, what it gives? Okay, look at the diagram. Okay, as earlier, acids react with metal. Okay, what is the diagram? We have same diagram. Okay, now instead of hydrochloric acid, we have to take 10 ml of sodium hydroxide, okay, which is base. Now earlier we completed acid with the metal. Now we are going to complete base with the metal. What will happens? Okay, when zinc is reacts with base, which releases one of the gas which is passing through delivery tube. Here bubbles are formed. Okay, these bubbles are comes out as one of the gas. Okay, what is the gas? To know which gas it is, yes, we have to make it test with the burning candle. Yes, when you are taking the burning candle near to the gas evolved from the soap water, here one sound will comes, pop sound, and burns. Okay, by this what you have to say, in the bubbles what is present? Hydrogen gas is present. Okay, because of pop sound is releases. Okay, that's why you have to say H2 gas is evolved. Base is reacts with metal, which gas is releases? Hydrogen gas. Acid is reacts with metal, which gas is releases? Hydrogen gas. Now I will write the equation of base. Base reacts with metal, gives rise to salt plus H2 gas, hydrogen gas. Okay, base what we are taken here? Sodium hydroxide as the base. Metal what you have taken? Zinc. Okay, zinc reacts with sodium hydroxide. What it is giving? Okay, 2 moles you take, Na2Zn O2 plus H2 gas. Now, what is the conclusion we have to give? Acid reacts with metal, hydrogen gas is gives, as well as base is reacts with metal, which produces what? H2 gas. Yes, oral conclusion is, if acids are reacts with metal, hydrogen gas releases. Base also reacts with metal, which releases hydrogen gas and salt. Reaction of carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates with acids. Here you may understand carbonates, metal hydrogen carbonates. Metal hydrogen carbonates we can call it as bicarbonates. Simply I have to say carbonates and bicarbonates. Carbonates and bicarbonates reacts with acids. What it gives? That we are going to learn now. Let's look at the diagram. Okay, it is the stand. Okay, test tube, delivery tube, crystal funnel, and test tube, another test tube. Now, in first test tube, I have to take 5 ml of carbonate. 5 ml of carbonate. Formula Na2CO3. Name I am writing sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate. Now, first you have to take in this sodium carbonate Na2CO3. Na2CO3. Okay, imagine it is sodium carbonate. Is to Na2CO3 add some acid as hydrochloric acid. HCl, add hydrochloric acid. Sodium carbonate reacts with acid. What it gives? Now look at here. When sodium carbonate reacts with acid, a reaction takes place between. Here one of the gas is passing through the delivery tube. Okay, some gas is passing through this. Okay, which gas is passing? Okay, that we have to test by calcium hydroxide. Yes, in this test tube we have to take calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide, also known as lime water. Now, reaction takes place between sodium carbonate and hydrochloric acid. Reaction takes place. Here one of the gases evolves. What is the gas evolves? We don't know. Yes, what is the gas is evolve? We have to test by calcium hydroxide. When the gas which is coming from the delivery tube reacts with calcium hydroxide, which gives white precipitate. PPT means white precipitate. Okay, when white precipitate is formed, you can say there is a carbon dioxide is present. When carbon dioxide is reacts with calcium hydroxide, which gives only white precipitate. Okay, by this what you have to say is when carbonates or reacts with acid, okay, what it is giving? Carbon dioxide, and also which is giving water and salt. Okay, we will write as the equation. Okay, first what we are taken? Acid. What you are added to this? Sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate. Okay, what it is releases? Okay, carbon dioxide. I am writing in the words first. Okay, carbon dioxide plus water plus salt. Now acid, what you are taken? HCl. I am writing here HCl. Sodium carbonate Na2CO3 gives rise to, okay, here 2 moles you take, right? This sodium is reacts with chlorine. What is the formation? NaCl. Okay, one hydrogen is shifting to here. Okay, that's why CO2 plus H2O. Okay, 2 hydrogens, 2 chlorines. Here you have to put 2. Yes, oral reaction we will give hydrochloric acid, sodium carbonate, which gives salt, carbon dioxide, water. See, acids, sodium carbonates, what it is giving? Carbon dioxide, water and salt. Okay, it is salt. It is salt. It is carbon dioxide and water. Okay, what is the conclusion have to give? When acids or reacts with carbonates, which gives rise to salt, water, carbon dioxide. Salt, water and carbon dioxide when carbonates are reacts with acids. Now, metal hydrogen carbonates, also known as bicarbonates. If bicarbonates are reacts with acid, okay, what it will gives? Yes, carbonates over. Now, metal hydrogen carbonates, also known as bicarbonates. Sodium bicarbonate, I am writing in the bracket, NaHCO3. It is metal hydrogen carbonate. Okay, carbonates completed. Now, sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonates is reacts with acid. What it gives? Yes, acid we are taken. Yes, we have to add sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3. Okay, reaction takes place between hydrochloric acid and sodium bicarbonate. One of the gases evolves. What it is gas? To test it, I have to take here calcium hydroxide. Yes, when calcium hydroxide reacts with what is the gases evolves. Here, white precipitate is formed. Yes, when white precipitate is forms, we have to give conclusion. Yes, formed gas is carbon dioxide. Okay, by the reaction, we have to say when sodium bicarbonate is reacts with hydrochloric acid, which produces carbon dioxide and salt and water. I will write in the equation. First you have to take acid, reacts with what? Metal hydrogen carbonate. What it is giving? Carbon dioxide plus water and salt. Now I will write in the equation acid. What the acid we are taken? Hydrochloric acid, HCl. HCl. What you have taken metal hydrogen carbonate as? NaHCO3. What it is giving? Carbon dioxide plus water and salt. What are the salt? Na is reacts with Cl. NaCl. One oxygen shifting to here. Yes. Now H2O. Okay, two hydrogens are there. H2, one oxygen is shifting. Okay, carbon dioxide. Yes, oral conclusion we have to give. When carbonates and bicarbonates react with acids, these are produce carbon dioxide, water and salt. Both carbonates and bicarbonates both will give carbon dioxide, water and salt. Here I am writing conclusion or result. Carbonates means Na2CO3 comma NaHCO3. Okay, both react with acid, produces salt, water and carbon dioxide. In above experiment, carbonates and bicarbonates react with acid. One of the gas which is passing through the delivery tube, that gas is carbon dioxide. Okay, whether it is carbon dioxide or not, we have to test with the calcium hydroxide. When calcium hydroxide is reacts with carbon dioxide, which gives rise to calcium carbonate as the precipitate and water. When excess of carbon dioxide is reacts with calcium carbonate and water, which gives rise to calcium bicarbonate. Okay, this is the reaction of carbonates and bicarbonates.